How long should you date somebody before you move in with them? How long should you date a man so that you can know he is serious? How long should you date a woman for you to confirm seriousness? In this episode, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to have a very candid discussion on the amount of time you should spend during the courtship period, because people could end up wasting your time, just like Lucy here. And if you do not take keen interest in what we are discussing today, we might as well use you as an example years to come. So, if you're new here, this is Jenga Njero. Our podcast is about family, about life, about our country, about the whole world. So, feel free to subscribe if this is content you find enthusiasm with. You can also enable the notifications bell, and any other time I release a new video, YouTube automatically notifies you. So, from the age of 25, Lucy has been dating this guy, and she's 34 now. How many years class? Miaka ngapi jamani? 9 years. So from 2015, you are 25 years old. You've been dating this guy. He promises you heaven. He tastes the goodies and he becomes comfortable. At the end of the day, you keep on saying, I have a guy, but this guy is not making commitments. This guy has not taken you, he has not taken you to his home. He has not shown you to his friends. He has not made any commitment. And you say you are dating. You are dating yourself, my sister. There's something about men that people do not understand. And I'm speaking this from the perspective of a man. I am speaking this from a point of understanding. I am speaking this from a point of merit. So I want you to be very keen. If a man is interested, he will show you to the family almost immediately. His friends will start calling you mama on his behalf. Mother-in-law will call you if he has. Sisters-in-law will know you if you are the real deal. But if you are not, you will be hidden like cocaine. But because people don't want to listen, the dust is constant. How many times have we done videos explaining to people, talk to people, if people are not showing commitment, talk to different people at the same time. The one who confirms commitment first wins the day. Because desire can never be negotiated, ladies and gentlemen. Desire cannot be negotiated. If I'm attracted to a woman, I cannot be able to hide it. Can I? Unless I'm not a man. If I'm attracted to a woman, I will make that interest known. I am a man. I know what I want. When I see it, I know. And when that woman starts to play hard to get, I will be able to, unless she plays out of hand. And then I realize she's not what I was thinking she was. Otherwise, for men, the hunt is on. And whoever hunts better wins the day. But there is this category of men. They date you year 1, year 2, year 3, 9 years. Even pregnancy stays for 9 months. But miaka 9, mwaka mmoja wa pili, 2025 tukiingia February, it will be a decade. So we are speaking about 10 years dating same man. Kazi yako ni kuonjwa. Wewe umekuwa ile keki ya display. Hata uzuri wa hiyo keki, hata ukiipata hapo kwa display haionjwi na mtu. Tell you, we have the black forest, we have the white velvet, we have the other cake do we have? Chocolate. Wapendo wa cake. But we need to be serious and not be desperate. I have always opined on this show that we are lonely sometimes, admittedly speaking, when we are looking for matches, but nobody is desperate. Take that to the bank. Nobody is desperate. Even the people you see us posting here, nobody is desperate. It is just that love and relationship, marriage for that matter, is so important that you want to take the best chance ever before you commit yourself for the rest of your life. That's why on this show, it's not a popular show. It's not a populist show. It's an impactful show. For instance, I received so many calls around Christmas of people who are going for honeymoon. I was thinking those people would be thinking about me every other time. And the impact that this show has had in their lives. You saw the testimonies they were giving on Facebook. Kama watu wanapatana hii mwaka wanaenda honeymoon. Watu wanapatana 1 month. Nyinyi sio watoto. Mtu unaenda sometimes I think when I start nini I will be whipping people. I'm doing a studio setup for this podcast. We will have an entire button for whipping people because they don't listen. We discuss you, we whip you, not because we hate you, but because we want to correct you. Of course, with your consent. We are not picking stories out there. We are speaking about people who have approached us. I have this and this problem. Taka kiboko. So you have been dating a guy. This guy akona nyumba yake separate. And unakuja kuuliza, what could be the problem? Two are the reasons. One, the guy could be in another serious relationship since you met. Because the guy is 43, for heaven's sake. Right now. You met while he was 33, 34. Okay? And ukiona mtu mwenye hataki kucommit na miaka imezidi, miaka imefika 10, and that person is not showing interest in commitment, then you are sitting on a time bomb. You're about to get disappointed big time. You're about to meet a person who does not understand the concept of time. Time is money. But it depends on what you use that time doing. I have taught people how to say no, but some people still feel guilty when they're saying no. Not knowing that when you say no, you are sending a message that you are not a pushover. You are not just a person to be carried ubebe, utoto. Wewe sio mtu tu ati mtu anakuchukua anakuonja miaka 1, 2, 3, miaka 10. Alafu utachukuliwa na nani? Who wants to taste something that has been tasted for 10 years? What do you take men for? And this woman was instructed by the brother. Lucy was told by the brother. This is a person I know. Was told by the brother, wacha kudate huyo jamaa. Akona pesa. Sasa angalia. Akona pesa. Ni romantic. Si sana, lakini ile time ameamua kukuwa romantic. Sometimes I feel like laughing, other times I feel like, it's a roller coaster of emotions. When are you going to be serious? If you waste a decade of your life, let me tell you something. If you date somebody, and I'm speaking from the angle of a man, if you date a man, women, like a tick, class, unanispata vizuri. I didn't make these rules, nature did. So this is not my syllabus. I'm stating the obvious. If you start dating a man, and that man 6 months down the line, he has not shown any level of commitment. Somebody has just interrupted. I'll see you in the next video.